I'm recording. Look pretty. Oh, you're so beautiful. Never stop that. Never stop. Emote more. No. Yes. I can't do it. Ow! 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 That hurts! Ow! You can't move. Come back here. Now we have to refocus you. That hurts. I hate you. I don't wanna. But it hurts. But it hurts. You're making art. But it hurts. It hurts me. It hurts me in my face. Stop it. It hurts. Oh, stop. It hurts so much. Sit still. Take a step back. Head to this way. I hate you. Ray, you're gonna miss. You're not athletic. You can't hit the target. Come back here, I missed. I'm not kidding, I did miss. I hate this. No rain. Oh, it cleared up. Yes, life is good. Stop it. Stop. No. Hate you. So cold. Stop it. We'll kill you. Stop that. Stop it. This is how I show myself. Is death threats your love language? Actually struggling. Sorry. I can't actually breathe while we're recording this. Get yourself in position, poops. Hurry up. No, do that. I can't get it on. Stop stripping it at me and off the net. Ow! Kill you! Stop it! My shoes! It's taking so long. My camera's soaking wet! You get wet and the world ends. I get wet and it... Shut up. Stop complaining. I don't feel sorry for you. I've been soaked for 2 days. Get my clothes up. Almost. Yes, Aberforth? Just say with the gremlins are a bit more testy than you. No. Stop it.